Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss about the latest Accenture and LTI mandatory interview questions for 2025 batch students. In the Accenture, this slot is of 11 am and the interview date is 8 July. Firstly, they will start the interview with the self introduction, then about the project explanation, then how do you manage conflict in your team, then how many flight can fly at a time. Then since I am a state player, he asked me why I chose IT field, and then what is the population of society and how many of them can afford to buy mobile phone, and why cannot the remaining people buy mobile phone this month, and why this is hardly it's around 15 to 20 minutes. So this is a managerial round interview questions, that is the 6 questions. Basically they will check your thinking skill and communication skill here. So this is a scenario based question. So all these 6 questions are very easy. It is not that much tough. They will ask introduction, then project related questions. There is no other technical question asked in this project. The next interview is of LTI mandatory, and this is a technical interview, and this interview started with the self introduction, then about yourself and yourself based question, then what is SQL. It is a technical questions, DBMS, RDBMS, SQL command, and explain clearly what is Java, what is Python, diamond in Java, deadlock in Java, write a code using SQL command. As a round in interviews, tell me about yourself, then academic achievement, from which state are you, governor, president and prime minister of India, positive and negative thinking in your place, any questions. So this is also a easy question, it is not that much tough. So I will discuss about LTI mandatory multinational company. When you are going to any IT company interview, firstly read out about the company from the Wikipedia, as in this LTI mandatory is formally as L&T Infotech, and it was founded in 23rd December 1996, that is 27 years ago. It's a headquarter in Mumbai. Okay, and its revenue in 2024 is 35,517 crore. Number of employees is 81,650 in March 2024. Website is www.ltmandatory.com. And when you about the Accenture, you can search here Accenture, and here the Wikipedia will be open, and in the Wikipedia you can read out all the details in which technology the company is working, where is the head of, who is the current CEO, all these details are given here. As Accenture is a multinational professional service company, and it is originating in the US, headquartered in Dublin, Ireland, and its revenue is $64.1 billion in 2024. It was founded in 1989, 35 years ago. It's headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. Its revenue 1.1 billion. Total number of assets is this. Number of employees 73,300. Then website is www.accenture.com. So these are the basic detail about the Accenture. So more update like this, please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for the latest update, latest interview experience. I will share all IT company update and interview experience in this channel. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys.